and I was drinking my coffee right now. I still got a little bit because I was sipping my coffee late, pero ahorita voy a terminar mi café. The workers came. I was gonna stay in my room today, but the workers came, so La Chinilla was like, "Hey, you wanna be in the store?" And I was like, "Okay, I guess I'll be in the store." So I came to the store, but yeah, I feel sore today from that fall yesterday. So man, I was gonna try to stay in bed. I was gonna try to stay in bed for a little longer, but she needed my help over here. What you eat this morning, doctor? Da, 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 da. Doctor in the house tonight. I was thinking about I was thinking about doing some Regio One Live or Alive. 50,000 Philippine pesos. Armed and dangerous approach with cautious, known to carry exploding burritos. That's funny. I'm gonna pin that. Shh. Oh, I wish I had burritos. Morning. Morning. She's reading the comments, making sure there's no girls talking to her daddy.
No, I don't care.
She's trying to make sure there's no how you say it that way? I don't know how you say it.
Go lang ng go. Wala akong pakialam.
I didn't eat, just copy. Oh wow. Gonna make sticky rice later and eat with my meat.
With my meat. With me.
Oh, with me.
Wow, he eats sticky rice.
Mm.
He only eat white rice.
No.
You know which one is the sticky rice? No.
Hola,
Hola.
Regio White. Yeah, I remember. But I like the fried rice too.
Hello. How do you read his name?
I don't know. Ratisha, Ashokan. I don't know. That's
Maybe
weird.
he's
But yeah, I like fried rice too. Fried
fried
rice.
rice.
I used to make it a lot. Remember, babe? Doctor, yeah, sticky rice is great. Steam it after soak it for hours. Glutinous rice.
Rice. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, they usually make sticky rice whenever it's like birthdays and stuff, no?
Yeah. Sweet sticky rice.
Mm-hmm.
Where you from? How you read his name? Rat
Ratish.
Ratish. Ratish.
Mm. Sounds like a wrestler name. Dun, 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 dun,
Oh, he's
dun, dun,
from
dun.
India. Wow. He's from India.
Sama Leo. Uy.
Marilyn. Marilyn.
Pangusan di po dahil si. Ah?
My name is Marilyn.
Yeah. Hapak. Ay hapak.